Are you tired of motorcycles that break down when you least expect it? Today, we're diving into the top 15 Japanese cruiser motorcycles that last forever. These bikes don't just look cool, they'll keep running for decades with basic care. These machines hit crazy high miles and keep going strong. If you want a bike that'll outlast everything else on the road, this list is for you. Number 15. Kawasaki Vulcan S650. This smaller cruiser uses the same engine as Kawasaki sport bikes. That 649 cubic centimeter twin runs forever with basic care. The ErgoFit system lets you adjust the seat, foot pegs, and bars to fit your body perfectly. When a bike fits right, you ride it better, and that means less wear on everything. The sport bike suspension helps this cruiser handle rough roads without beating itself up. The engine never works too hard, which is why it lasts so long. Vulcan S owners often hit 60,000 miles with zero problems. Change the oil, check the belt, and these bikes just keep going. Simple and reliable. Number 14. Honda Shadow. Phantom 750. The Shadow Phantom looks old school but hides modern reliability. This 745 cubic centimeter V-twin cruiser is about as tough as motorcycles get. The biggest reason Shadows last forever? The shaft drive. While other bikes need their chains cleaned and adjusted all the time, Shadow owners just ride. No chain mess, no adjustments, just gas and go. Honda built this bike with fewer parts that can break. The cooling system keeps the engine at the perfect temperature, which means less stress on everything inside. Shadows regularly hit 80,000 plus miles, needing nothing but basic care. There are recorded Shadow owners who have passed 100,000 miles with just oil changes, valve checks, and a couple of batteries. That's it. Number 13. Suzuki Boulevard C50. The Boulevard C50 has old school looks but modern guts that keep it running for decades. The 805 cubic centimeter V-twin is way stronger than it needs to be. Like the Shadow, it uses a shaft drive instead of a chain. That means no chain problems ever. No adjustments, no wear, just smooth power year after year. Suzuki built these engines to last generations. They run at about half their potential power most of the time, so nothing inside gets stressed out. Boulevard C50s often hit 90,000 miles running like new. Keep up with oil changes and valve checks, and these bikes will still be running when your grandkids start riding. Number 12. Yamaha Bolt. The Yamaha Bolt nails that bobber style while being crazy reliable. The 942 cubic centimeter air-cooled engine might seem old tech, but that simplicity is why it lasts so long. Air cooling means fewer parts to break. No radiator, no water pump, no coolant leaks. The belt drive needs almost no care compared to a chain. Yamaha tuned this engine for smooth power without pushing hard. It's like a weightlifter only using half their strength. They can go all day. Bolt owners often rack up 70,000 plus miles with zero issues. Not small issues, zero issues. Oil changes, tires, maybe a belt at high miles. That's it. Number 11. Kawasaki Vulcan 900. The Vulcan 900 hits that sweet spot of size and reliability. The 903 cubic centimeter V-twin uses liquid cooling to keep temperatures perfect in all conditions. The belt drive is a huge plus for long life. It's quieter than a chain and lasts 50,000 plus miles before needing replacement. Many riders go even longer. Kawasaki built this engine to use just a fraction of its strength during normal riding. It's never working hard, which means everything inside lasts longer. Many Vulcan 900 owners pass 80,000 miles with just basic care. Oil changes, valve checks every 15,000 miles, and these bikes keep running strong for decades. Number 10. Yamaha Vstar 950. The Vstar 950 looks classic, but has modern guts that make it super durable. Its 942 cubic centimeter air-cooled V-twin is built to last. It uses a belt drive instead of a chain, which means way less work for you. No chain cleaning, no lube, just smooth power for years without attention. Air cooling keeps things simple and reliable. Fewer cooling parts mean fewer things to break. The engine never works too hard, which means less wear inside. Vstar 950s often hit 100,000 plus miles, still running perfectly. The basic design makes maintenance easy, which helps them last even longer. Number 9. Suzuki Boulevard C90B OSS. The Boulevard C90 Boss brings both style and toughness. That blacked-out look turns heads, but underneath sits a 1,462 cubic centimeter V-twin built to outlast most vehicles on the road. The shaft drive means no chain problems ever. Unlike belts that eventually need replacement, a good shaft drive can last hundreds of thousands of miles with just oil changes. Suzuki built this engine way stronger than needed. It makes good power, but never strains to do it. The cooling system keeps temperatures perfect in any weather. One C90 owner hit 130,000 miles with only a clutch replacement at 115,000. That's amazing longevity for any vehicle, especially a motorcycle. Number 8. Honda Rebel 1100 DCT. The Rebel 1100 DCT takes a whole new approach to cruiser reliability. Honda took their tough adventure bike engine and dropped it in a cruiser frame, then added their automatic transmission. This automatic transmission is a game changer for long life. No clutch problems, no bad shifts, and the computer protects the gears from damage. It's like having a pro rider inside your bike. This engine was already built for tough adventure riding. Cruiser duty is easy by comparison. The maintenance stays simple too. Valve checks are straightforward and everything's easy to reach. Though newer to the market, owners already report 40,000 plus miles with zero problems. Given Honda's history, these will likely hit 200,000 plus miles. Number 7. Honda Fury. The Fury proves you can have custom chopper looks with Honda reliability. This bike looks like a one-off custom, but runs like, well, a Honda. The 1,312 cubic centimeter V-twin is built to last. Like most Honda cruisers, it uses a shaft drive. That means almost no maintenance for the whole drivetrain, a huge factor in long-term reliability. Honda tuned this engine to deliver power without working hard. Even at highway speeds, it barely breaks a sweat. The cooling system keeps temperatures perfect across the whole engine. Fury owners often see 70,000 plus miles with everything still running like new. Honda overbuilt every part from the frame to the engine to the transmission. Number 6. Yamaha Vstar 1300. The Vstar 1300 brings bigger displacement and serious toughness. Its 1,304 cubic centimeter V-twin is built to handle decades of riding without complaints. Like most Yamaha cruisers, it uses a belt drive that needs way less care than a chain. These belts typically last 70,000 plus miles before replacement, about 5 to 6 times longer than chains. The engine makes most of its power at low revs, so it never needs to work hard. Lower engine speeds mean way less wear inside. The cooling system keeps temperatures even across the whole engine. Vstar 1300s often hit 120,000 miles running perfectly with just basic care. Follow the maintenance schedule, and these bikes outlast most cars on the road. Number 5. Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 Voyager. The Vulcan 1700 Voyager is a touring beast built to cover huge distances without breaking a sweat. This premium cruiser packs a 1,700cc V-twin made for the long haul. What makes the Voyager so tough is how overbuilt everything is. The engine runs at just a fraction of its capability during highway cruising, like a semi-truck engine just loafing along at highway speeds. The belt drive is a big part of why these last so long. While chains need constant care, the Voyager's belt just works for 80,000 plus miles with almost no attention. The frame uses heavy-duty steel with extra support at key stress points. It stays straight even after hundreds of thousands of miles. The fuel injection system keeps the engine running perfectly in any conditions from sea level to mountain passes. Voyager owners often pass 100,000 miles with just routine maintenance. One rider documented over 200,000 miles on the original engine with no major work needed. Oil changes, valve checks, and belt inspections are all it takes to keep these running like new for decades. Number 4. Yamaha VMax. The VMax is a muscle bike legend that surprises people with its reliability. Yamaha didn't just build this bike for speed, they overbuilt it for toughness. The 1,679 cubic centimeter V4 makes 197 horsepower, but was designed to handle even more abuse. Every part in the VMax is beefed up beyond what's needed. The transmission gears are thicker than necessary. The clutch has extra plates. The cooling system has more capacity than required. Even the frame is stronger than it needs to be. This overbuilding means that even though it's a performance beast, the VMax is actually less stressed than many lower-powered bikes. It's like having a pro weightlifter carry your groceries. Easy work for something built to handle much more. The shaft drive means no chain maintenance ever, another big plus for longevity. VMax owners regularly report 70,000 plus miles with no major problems. With proper care, these muscle bikes hit 6-figure mileages while still pulling like freight trains. Number 3. Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 Vicero. And now to the top 3. The Vulcan 1700 Vicero brings touring reliability to another level. This premium 1,700cc V-twin bagger was built for the long haul in every way possible. Kawasaki made this engine specifically for touring, tuned to run at steady speeds for thousands of miles without strain. Think marathon runner versus sprinter. The Vicero's engine was built for distance above all else. The engine internals are precision balanced with forged parts that would be at home in race bikes. But instead of maximum power, Kawasaki focused on making these parts last virtually forever. The belt drive means no chain headaches, just smooth power transfer for 80,000 plus miles before needing replacement. The reinforced belt teeth keep perfect contact with the pulleys even after tens of thousands of miles. The twin radiators maintain perfect temperatures in any conditions, from desert heat to mountain cold. This temperature consistency prevents the expansion and contraction that eventually kills engines. Multiple Vicero owners have documented passing 100,000 miles with just routine maintenance. One cross-country rider hit 165,000 miles with only a starter replacement around 120,000. That's the kind of reliability that makes motorcycles legendary. Number 2. Suzuki Boulevard M109R. The Boulevard M109R dominates in every category, including toughness. The massive 1,783 cubic centimeter V-twin makes 127 horsepower and 118 foot-pounds of torque, yet Suzuki built it to last despite all this power. Most high-performance bikes sacrifice longevity for power. The M109R somehow delivers both. The secret? Massive overbuilding of every vital part. Those pistons are the largest Suzuki ever put in a production motorcycle, built with extra material everywhere it counts. They're nearly indestructible. The connecting rods, crankshaft, and transmission gears all got the same treatment. Everything is stronger than it needs to be. The engine cases are thicker than necessary, which does two things. First, they stay rigid under extreme power, preventing flex that can cause oil leaks. Second, they pull heat away more effectively, keeping everything running cooler. The shaft drive means no chain replacement, ever. Just change gear oil occasionally and forget about it. The splines and joints are engineered to keep perfect alignment even after hundreds of thousands of miles. The fantastic thing about the M109R is how it handles years of use. The seat foam stays supportive even after a decade. The paint on the tank and fenders resists fading much better than other bikes. Even the switchgear stays tight and clicky after years of use when other bikes develop loose, sloppy controls. The chassis deserves special mention too. The frame uses thick wall steel tubing with extra gussets at stress points. This prevents the flex that causes handling problems in older bikes. The swing arm pivot bearings are twice the size they need to be, meaning they last practically forever. Despite its monster performance, the M109R ranks among the most reliable motorcycles ever made. With oil changes and valve checks every 15,000 miles, these beasts run for decades without missing a beat. There's a reason why used M109Rs command such high prices. Buyers know they're getting a motorcycle that will run practically forever. Number 1. Honda Goldwing Tour. Taking the crown for most reliable Japanese cruiser ever, the legendary Honda Goldwing Tour. This 1,833 cubic centimeter flat 6 is the absolute benchmark for motorcycle engineering and toughness. Honda didn't just build a motorcycle engine, they created a two-wheeled legacy of reliability that nothing else on the road can match. The Goldwing engine is like a commercial aircraft engine, built to run thousands of hours without failure. The flat 6 design creates perfect balance, meaning less vibration and much less wear on bearings and internal parts. Each cylinder works in harmony with its opposite, canceling out forces that would cause vibration and wear in other engines. The parts inside the Goldwing engine are made with tighter tolerances than almost any other motorcycle. Pistons, rings, cylinder walls, bearings, everything is machined to aerospace standards. This precision means parts wear much more slowly than in other engines. The crankshaft deserves special mention. Forged from a single piece of high-carbon steel and perfectly balanced, it spins so smoothly that main bearings often show minimal wear even after 200,000 miles. The connecting rods are equally overbuilt with massive big ends and perfect oil passages. Honda's optional automatic transmission is another huge reliability boost. No clutch burnout, no missed shifts, just perfect gear changes every time. The computer protects the transmission by preventing harmful shifts. The standard manual transmission is just as bulletproof, with documented cases exceeding 200,000 miles on original clutches. Looking at used Goldwings reveals something unusual. Bikes with 50,000 miles are often described as just broken in. Owners with 100,000 plus miles report their machines run exactly the same as when new. Goldwing owners say the second 100,000 miles is better than the first. Talk to Goldwing mechanics and they'll tell you stories that seem impossible. Like the touring rider who came in for his first valve adjustment at 150,000 miles, and the valves were still in spec. Or the couple who rode their wing across the country 32 times on the original engine. Or the delivery rider who put 300,000 miles on his Goldwing in just 5 years with nothing but oil changes and tires. What makes these stories believable is how common they are. It's not one freak bike that hits high miles. It's hundreds of them documented across owner forums and service records. The Goldwing's longevity isn't luck or myth, it's engineering. Even wear items on the Goldwing last longer than entire motorcycles from other brands. Brake pads often last 50,000 plus miles because Honda used larger brake rotors that dissipate heat better. The starter motor regularly hits 200,000 miles without issues, when other bikes might need starter replacement at 50,000 miles. Even the paint holds up better, using a multi-stage process with clear coats that resist fading for decades. Honda builds the Gold Wing in a dedicated factory where each engine undergoes extensive testing before installation. Every bike is also dyno tested at the factory to ensure perfect operation before shipping. The quality control is so strict that the rejection rate for components is 10 times higher than the industry standard. The Gold Wing isn't just reliable in normal conditions, it thrives in extremes. From Death Valley heat to Alaska cold, these bikes maintain perfect operation. One rider documented crossing the Arctic Circle and riding to the southern tip of South America on the same Gold Wing, over 30,000 miles through every possible climate without a single breakdown. But perhaps the most telling evidence comes from the insurance industry. Insurance companies, who stake their business on accurate risk assessment, classify the Gold Wing in a special category for longevity. They note from claims data that these bikes simply last longer and have fewer mechanical failures than anything else on two wheels. Nothing else on two wheels comes close to matching the Gold Wing's combination of performance, comfort, and incredible longevity. The Gold Wing doesn't just outlast other motorcycles, it often outlasts multiple owners. When you buy a Gold Wing, you're not just getting transportation, you're getting a lifetime partner that will still be running strong decades from now. There they are, the 15 most reliable, longest-lasting Japanese cruisers ever built. What makes these bikes special isn't fancy technology, it's smart design choices focused on durability. Which bike caught your eye? Drop a comment if you own one, especially with high mileage. Share how many miles your bike has and what keeps it running strong. Hit that like button if this helped you out, and subscribe for more motorcycle videos coming soon.